Hello, I'm going to be showing you how to make a tutoring appointment. So we're going to start at the MCC homepage and just go up to My MCC. Here, it automatically logged me in. However, if you are greeted by a login page, all you need to do is put in your A number and the password that you've set. But from here, we're going to search for My Navigate. And then it should be the first result. We click that. And if it asks you to log in, it'll be the same information as your student, as your login for MyMCC. It's your A number and the password that you've set. But from here, you just go to appointments and schedule an appointment. And what type of appointment? We'll be doing ACE tutoring. The services, we'll be doing science. For available time, we'll click Friday. It can be whatever day you need. Now, here, we don't need to do staff search by name unless there's a tutor that you've worked with in the past that you would really like to work with again. How would you like to meet? In person or Zoom? We'll click in person. Location, either Bedford or Lowell, whichever one you prefer. So for this one, we're going to click Lowell. And the course, I have two to select from. You just click whichever one you would to to work with, that you need help with. So for this, we'll click chemistry, and it'll show me the available times for Friday at the start, at the top. And then if, let's say, none of these times worked for me, I can just move down to Monday, check those times, move down to Tuesday, check those times, etc. And hopefully there'll be a time that works for you. Now, let's say I wanted to, instead of in person, I wanted to try doing if I wanted to try doing Zoom. Now we'd get rid of the location for that, then we'd do virtual by Zoom. So the times are a little different. There's two different people available. So if you wanted to meet via Zoom, it would look similar to this. And then of course you just click the course you'd like to work with. And it looks like there's only chemistry available from that's okay. And then you click time, say 30 here, virtual by Zoom. And for the comments, you don't need to put comments there, but it does help a lot. It helps the tutor know what exactly you need help with, which can help just have you guys jump in a little quicker, and also helps the tutor know what they may need to review. So yeah, this is how you make a tutoring appointment. You would just click schedule here to finalize it. I'm not going to do that because I don't need this appointment. However, you would just be met with this confirmation about your appointment. I hope this helped you make an appointment, and I hope to see you in the ACE Center soon. Thank you.